Hey trendsetters, top 5 must-haves before 2024 game changers in fashion and lifestyle. Let's dive into the hottest trends for the upcoming year. Unveiling the game changer, 105 wireless charger pad stand with speaker. RGB night light, your ultimate multifunctional powerhouse. Elevate your fitness journey, LED gyroscopic powerball. The auto start range gyro power for intense arm and hand muscle training. Unleash creativity. 335 PCS marble run set. Dive into the world of die maze model building with this 3D wooden puzzle. The perfect educational toy for kids and adults. Immerse yourself in sound. P9 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Noise cancelling. Stereo sound. And mic for a seamless audio experience. Ideal for sports, gaming, and TF card support. At last, we unveil the grand finale. The soccer table for family fun. Elevate your gatherings with this interactive football board game, perfect for kids and boys. It's the ultimate portable game gift that promises hours of excitement and friendly competition. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed discovering these must-have products, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting finds. To get your hands on any of these fantastic items, check out the links in the comments below. Stay tuned for more curated recommendations and happy shopping.